Implicit Differentiation, Part 2. Find dy dx if x to the third power plus y to the second power equals 6xy. Well, again, we're going to differentiate each term individually with respect to x. So I take this first term with respect to x, becomes 3x squared, and then I have 2 times y times the derivative of y, and I'm going to use y prime here instead of dy dx because it's just faster. And then this last term, when I take the derivative of this last term, what I can do is I can think of the factor out the 6 and just think of it as 6 times xy quantity prime. And this uses the product rule here, so I have to think x times y prime plus y times x prime, and of course x prime with respect to x is just 1, so I get x times y prime plus y times 1 with the 6 outside. In this third step, what I'm doing is I'm getting all my y prime terms. I've simplified it a little bit actually here. I haven't really done it yet, but I want to get all my y prime terms on one side and everything else on the other, and I do it here in step 4. Step 5, which I'll put into view here, has I factored the y prime out of these 2 terms here, leaving 2y minus 6x here, and I'm going to divide both sides by this 2y minus 6x in this last step, and there I have it as y prime equals 6y minus 3x squared over 2y minus 6x, and then I've written in dy dx notation here. Notice also that it is both x and y dependent, this derivative, so you have to know both x and y to find the derivative at a point.